If you're looking for the best African black soaps, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Incredible by Nature African Black Soap. This soap bar has every ingredient you should look for in a traditionally made African black soap. Plantain skin ash and shea butter are complemented by cocoa pods and palm oils to make a simple, effectively cleansing recipe. Additional vitamin E is added into the blend to enhance skin repairing properties. Incredible by Nature soap bar works for every skin type and is formed into a sturdy bar. This bar doesn't dissolve easily in water, but is soft enough to be cut up into small usable pieces. It is a good choice for anyone who is brand new to African soap and wants a reliable natural product. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Wonderfully Natural African Black Soap. Each sale of Wonderfully Natural's black soap directly benefits individuals in Ghana. It is a fair trade product sold by an African-owned company, making it a great choice for individuals who are looking to support small African businesses with their purchase. This product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If, after trying the product out, you decide it isn't for you, all you have to do is contact the company and they will take care of the rest. The soap also comes with an acne treatment guide for use with all skin types, so you can purchase this product with the confidence of how to use it. Compared to other products on our list, this soap is rather soft. It dissolves easily in water and doesn't last as long. To combat this, cut the large bar into smaller blocks to make it last as long as possible. If you would prefer a hard soap bar that doesn't dissolve as easily, check out Au Naturals. The number 3 position is held by Shea Moisture Face and Body Bar. For anyone looking to find beneficial black soap on a budget, Shea Moisture's Face and Body Bar is a perfect option. At under $5, the bar allows you to experience black soap without breaking the bank. Shea Moisture is also a fair trade company, and their products are all certified cruelty-free. This bar is easy to use. It is more like a traditional soap bar in that it is harder and lathers up easier. The surface is soft enough to apply it directly to your face. It does have added skin-friendly ingredients blended into it, such as soothing oat flour and gentle aloe vera. Because it is a blended soap bar, there is some fragrance added. This may be a drawback for those with sensitive skin looking to avoid a fragrance. It also lacks plantain ash, making it less potent of a black soap. Next at number 4 we have our Earth Secrets Raw African Black Soap. This soap is completely raw and all natural, and contains stearin oil in addition to palm oil. Stearin oil is a solidified form of palm oil and works to provide additional fat content, stabilizing the soap. This can make the product more long-lasting than other brands. This also makes it a great product to buy in bulk sizes and stock up on. Our Earth Secrets works directly with sustainable sources to acquire high-quality soap products. This soap is a direct Ghanaian export and as traditionally made as you can find. It makes a good choice for anyone looking for potent, raw soap. The number 5 position is held by Alaffia All-in-One Body Wash. Available in a large variety of scents, this body wash is multi-purpose. It can be used as body soap, a facial cleanser, and soap, shampoo, and as a shaving cream. It is a great choice for someone who wants a pleasant-smelling product for all of their cleansing needs. The soap is made from melted-down African black soap, and every bottle contains the powerful signature extracts of ash and palm oils. Other skin cleaning ingredients and added fragrances like mint and tea tree are ethically sourced and biodegradable. It has a very rich slather, so if you are looking for a more luxurious black soap experience, this is the product for you. The number 6 position is dominated by Tropical Naturals Dudu Osun Black Soap. While this is a solid soap bar, it does still have elements of a raw black soap in it. There are some rougher textures throughout the bar, and the addition of ashes and palm oils make it more traditional. It's good to use if you want a bar that is smooth enough to use directly on your face while still being as close to natural black soap as possible. In addition to plantain and cocoa pod ash, the Dudu Osun soap features honey. Honey is a natural exfoliator and can help soften and brighten skin. Citrus juices such as lemon are also blended into this soap and work to boost skin repair and cell regeneration. It makes a good choice for anyone who is looking for a soap that effectively exfoliates and cleans pores. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Au Naturals African Black Soap. Au Natural's African Black Soap comes in a value 3-pack and is French triple mill. All of the ingredients in the soap are thoroughly mixed and pressed in a way that eliminates any extra water and air. This type of process results in a soap that is less water and more potent. It is a very smooth, hard bar soap, perfect for people who prefer that texture over rougher black soaps. For extra pore purifying benefits, this product is blended with Dead Sea mud. This type of mud pulls out dirt and oil from pores, leaving skin both clear and brighter. The addition of lavender helps to soothe itchy skin. If you have uneven skin texture or rough patches, this product is a good choice for you. The number 8 position is held by Sky Organics African Black Soap Bar. Sky Organics is certified organic and handmade in Ghana. The texture of the soap is soft without being too crumbly, and it is easily cut into pieces for storage or ease of use. It makes a good choice for someone who wants a black soap that is easy to use and long-lasting. Like Incredible by Nature, this product has added vitamin E to enhance skin healing properties. It also has organic coconut oil blended in for additional antioxidant properties. Next at number 9 we have Dr. Wood's African Raw Black Liquid Body Wash. For anyone looking to reduce fine lines and signs of aging, this raw liquid product is a good choice. It has added vitamin B, A, and iron, all of which help to erase skin imperfections. They can also brighten skin, which is a great bonus if you have dark spots. The soap has a thicker, creamy texture that is great for lathering up and using on your entire body. It exfoliates skin and hydrates it, which makes perfect for someone who may have drier skin but still wants the benefits of an exfoliating product. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Hera Nature African Black Soap. One of the most versatile products on our list, Hera Nature's African Black Soap is perfect for use as a DIY soap base. It is easily melted down, combined with other ingredients or essential oils, and reformed into a bar or liquid soap. If you are a lover of DIY soaps and want to incorporate black soap into your recipes, this is a good choice. The Amazon listing for this product has 3 different recipes for suggested use. This makes it great for beginners to DIY soap making who need a little guidance. The soap bar itself is large and can last for months in whichever form you keep it. This block of soap is a little too hard to cut into, which makes proportioning for use or DIY recipes difficult. It also stains easily and can leave a mess in your tub or on your washcloth. You may be interested in a more clean rinsing product such as Sky Organics. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.